This is a video demonstration of the installation process of my new app in one of our dev stores. The main purpose of the app is to harness the power of the POS UI extension in order to create a better stock taking and inventory management directly through the POS user interface. The app itself is very lightweight and most of the settings are self-explanatory. Staff members are added manually and can be enabled and disabled through the app. All collections are pulled through from Shopify's native collection system, and they can be either enabled or disabled to be used through the POS UI extension through the admin panel. At the moment, there will be no reports logged in the app, so let's head over to the POS and start our first stock take. Once open, users can choose to start a stock take, simply add inventory to their location, or create a transfer from their current location to one of the other locations set up in Shopify. The test stock take I'm currently performing will be a zero discrepancy stock take. So the numbers I'm inputting manually here are the exact numbers seen in Shopify.